Hello everyone, my name is Rajdeep Banerjee and you're watching English is Easy with RB. In this video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to learn how to pronounce each and every word in English even if you do not have a teacher. You just need to ensure you watch the entire video. So, stay tuned. Tell me, what do you look for in a good dictionary? The spelling? Meaning of the words? Or maybe usage in various sentences? There is, however, one more way you can put it to good use. Tell me, have you ever seen something like this right beside a word? What exactly is this thing? Any guesses? Well, these are symbols which represent certain sounds, and when used in combinations can represent the pronunciation of a word. You just need to learn the symbols and the sounds they represent, and your job is done. In this video, we are going to learn the symbols. In the first column we have the symbols, and in the second one we have the words where the corresponding sounds occur. So let's begin. First we'll deal with the vowel sounds. I, I, sit, fit, E, E. This is the longer version of the previous one. E, E, seat, feet, a, pen, bed, a, fat, cat, top, hot, or the longer version of the previous one. Caught, C-A-U-G-H-T, fought, heart, star, cup, bus, foot, put, food, to, earth, birth, bird, This last sound is also referred to as schwa. It's a negligible sound. You would find it at the beginning of about, at the end of China. These 12 vowel sounds are called pure vowels. Now we'll look at the diphthongs. But before we go on, if you like the content of this video and want to receive more videos of this sort, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. Now we'll look at the diphthongs. A, day, say, oi, toy, coy, I, sky, spy, I, ow, now, how, oh, so, go, go, ear, ear, fear, sheer, oor, oor, tour, poor, air, 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 fair. In total, we have 20 vowel sounds. 12 are pure vowels, 8 are diphthongs. Now we'll look at the consonant sounds. Listen to me carefully. P, P, picture, super, B, B, basket, box, T, T, taxi, try, D, D, dog, donkey, dumb, bad, K, K, king, king, kite, G, G, God, Godzilla, Ch, Ch, chair, cheer, J, J, jam, jazz, jump, M, M, moon, master, N, N, number, no, Ny, Ny, mango, sing, sang, sung, F, F, 5, food, rifle, V, V, victory, vulture, Th, Th, 3, throw, the, gather, S, S, sun, sin, Z, Z, zoo, buzz, sh, sh, share, sheer, zh, zh, pleasure, leisure, h, h, hello, hero, l, l, light, lamp, r, r, run, rocket, ya, ya, university, Europe, wa, wa, win, wand. Make sure you remember the symbols and the sounds they represent. Now that you are aware of the sounds, can you tell me which words are hidden here? Write it in the comment section. I'll make sure I respond to each and every comment. If you like this video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Until next time, this is RB signing off.